All right, guys, so second homes, the pricing is going to get worse. That's for everybody across the board. The regulatory parties that regulate Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac have now implemented, which are your conventional loans for you guys out there, have implemented a price hit that's going to start April 1st on second homes. The reason for that is there may be a little worried about where the economy is going or anything like that, potentially. And second homes are usually the first homes that get sold, or basically the first home that somebody would give up if they got in a bad financial situation, because they're not technically renting it out. Now, I kind of disagree with that a little bit, because you are now allowed to Airbnb those properties, and sometimes these regulatory parties are ran by older individuals that don't have modern thinking, but nonetheless, we can't do anything about this price increase that's going to happen. So April 1st, they're going to be taking a large chunk, because Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac securitize these loans, and they get a chunk of the money made through the interest rate. Well, that piece of the pie is going to increase, and probably more than double than what they've been taking already through the interest rate. So what that means is if Fannie and Freddie, who get their first bite of the pie, then the lender, who is the servicer of the mortgage, gets their bite of the pie, you can almost guarantee that because Fannie and Freddie are taking a larger chunk of the money through the rate, that is also going to increase interest rates, because the lender that's servicing can't do the loan for free, unfortunately. It's not like they want to gouge anybody or charge a higher rate, the mortgage companies out there. They just don't have a choice now because of so much of it being taken by the first party involved in this. So as of April 1st, that's what's going to happen. It's generally going to affect people that are doing 20% down or less, because yes, on a second home, you can do 10% down. And if you've been thinking about that, you need to get on the horse and get going now rather than later. So you agents that need to share this with your client, because you may have people from out of state following you that have been thinking about a second home. It's time to get moving forward. This isn't a threat. You can Google this online. Second home rates are going up April 1st. Google it for yourself if you're a borrower out there. I promise you, this is a fact. It's written. It's done. It's going to happen unless they reverse this, but we don't think that's going to happen. Investment properties probably will price out better than second homes when this happens. So then that's some alternative that we're going to have in the future. But again, second home pricing will be going up April 1st. Y'all have a good day. Thanks for tuning in.